Let's see how to complete the transaction. If the item selected is scheduled H1 or narcotics, then there are options by admin to set warning message before loading the item on the main screen. Also, admin can set different colors for different type of schedulers.
We can see these rows are colored, which indicates the item is either scheduled H1 or narcotics.
Note that the maximum allowable discount can be defined by the admin for each user's login. If the discount is mapped to the user in master data, then as soon as you enter the customer's details, the respective discount from the master data will be applicable. However, it can be overwritten if the rights from the admin have been enabled.
Once the item is loaded on the main screen, select the batch number, edit the quantities for each item and enter discounts if any.
Sometimes a customer may have limited amount with him and may request you to bill only that many items which can be bought with a limited amount. In such cases, let's see how to raise invoice.
Once the item is loaded, click on Change Invoice Amount icon. Enter desired invoice amount here and click on OK. You can see all the items have reduced proportionately and invoice amount is changed to the nearest possible amount the customer wants.
While billing, if the staff notice that the stock of any item is about to get over or is already exhausted, then the staff can mark the item as indent, by which the item will be added to the order list.
Click on the respective item row. Click on this icon or press Ctrl plus Insert. You can see the indent box is ticked here. If you don't want to mark an item as indent, select the item row and click on this icon.
You also have the option to add the item directly to the supplier's order list. For that, you'll have to make respective change in parameter setting at admin for each user.
If you add an item, stock of which is 0 with you, a window will pop up asking you to add the item to indent. Click Yes. Order list window will pop up. Choose the supplier, enter the quantity, type notes if any, and press F12 to save and close.
As a promotional activity, you can give coupons to your customer with some validity. When the customer comes back, you can validate the coupon and apply the same to the customer's next bill. Let's see how to do this.
After the items are selected for billing, click on Coupon. Coupon validation screen will pop up. Choose the coupon from the drop-down. Coupon details can be seen here. Double-click on the respective item. The offer will shift here. Enter coupon number. Enter the batch number and quantity if it's an item. Click on Save to Bill. Make sure the bill value should be equal to or more than mentioned in the coupon minimum bill value. You can see the coupon is applicable and the offer item here.
You can enter customer information. Your customer may also ask for home delivery. Delivery slip module can help you manage activities and related reporting of home deliveries.
You can enter customer details here. By default, the customer code will be general and you can enter the name of the customer here. If the customer exists in our master database, then you can choose from the list of customers. Select the doctor, professional location, delivery man, terms and condition from drop-down, customize mobile number, email and other details here. You can also add remarks if any.
There are many ways to receive payment: cash, credit card, credit transaction, and other wallet payment. You can also pay in multi-form for the same bill. The invoice can be mailed to the customer.
You can choose either cash or card for accepting payment. If card payment, you may enter card number and expiry date. Select the bank name. Credit will be allowed to only those customers who have been allowed to bill on credit in Customer Master. On selecting cash, cash drawer can be linked. This is typically done to avoid staff fiddling with cash. Verify all the information. If print is ticked, By pressing F12, the invoice will be saved and printed. If payment mode is cash, when you save the transaction, cash tender window will pop up. You can see the total invoice amount here and enter the estimated amount which will be received from the customer. Return cash amount will be calculated. Click on this icon to send the email to the customer's email ID mentioned here. Make sure your branch or your company's email ID is configured.
There are chances that sometime customer is willing to pay for one bill in more than one ways. C-Square EcoGreen also supports such options.
Tick across multi-payment. Press F8 or click on this icon to save the transaction. A window with various options to pay will pop up. You can see cash, credit card and other wallet options here. Choose partial payment. A new window will pop up where is cash as one of the payments will be there by default. You can remove it and add options which customer wants to choose. To add another type of payment, select from the drop-down. Enter amount here. Like this, add as many your customer want. As soon as you add Geo Money, a new window will pop up where you can scan the barcode generated in Geo Money app on the customer's device. Amount will be reflected automatically here. Or press F7 for payment. The invoice total and selected payment total should match. You can also SMS or email receipt to the customer. Enter email ID and mobile number and click on send. Press F12 to save it.
Many times we have customers who buy items in loose quantity, so the bill value is very low. In such, it is not feasible to print the bill. You can print all on one document at the end of the day for all counter sales for the day.
Here we have 3 items in the bill. The total bill value is only rupees 40.82 paise. To shift one item to counter sale, select the items row and press Ctrl X. Suppose you want to shift all items to counter sale, press Ctrl A. At the end of the day, to print the invoice for counter sales, press Ctrl and right-click on the plus icon. All the counter sale product will be listed here. You can select all items or a few selected items. Press F12 to retrieve the items to the main screen. Cash tender window will pop up where you can enter the amount collected. You can ignore the PASA value. Press OK. The invoice is saved.